A detailed log of your computer's activity can help solve mysteries. In this video, we will help you understand the Windows Event Viewer. This powerful tool records detailed logs of nearly everything that happens on your computer, including errors, warnings, and important system events. While it looks technical, it is invaluable for troubleshooting. To open it, right-click the Start button and select Event Viewer, or search for it. On the left, you will see categories of logs. The Windows Logs section is the most useful, containing logs for the system, application, and security. When something goes wrong, like an unexpected crash or error, the Event Viewer often records exactly what happened and when. Click a log to browse the events, which are marked as information, warning, or error. Red error entries are the ones to focus on when diagnosing a problem. Click an event to read its details, including a description and an event ID. Searching for that ID online often reveals the cause and solution. You can filter the logs by date or type to find what you need. While most people rarely open it, knowing the Event Viewer exists gives you a powerful way to investigate stubborn problems and understand what your computer is really doing behind the scenes.